Alright, so you just started the Alkaline Weight Loss Program. Something that's really, really important for you to know early on, in case you do not know, is the fact that we do not need meat, period. Okay? The reason being is because we do not possess the digestive enzymes necessary to break down meat. Okay? You can look this up, alright? We produce an enzyme called amylase that breaks down carbohydrates. Carnivores, right? Carnivores produce a enzyme called uricase that breaks down uric acid. What do you get from animals? You get uric acid. Okay? What do carnivores possess? Carnivores possess uricase that breaks down that uric acid. When you consume things like the flesh, right, the meats, any meats, this is all meats, okay? You get uric acid and a bunch of other things like secondhand protein, you feel me? There's so many other things that you do not need, okay? In addition to that, meat actually, the uric acid actually causes gout to happen. So, all in all, we really don't even need this meat, and it also has zero fiber. Okay, you can look all this stuff up and see it for yourself. Okay, but with that being said, I'm excited for you being on the program, and just know there's a whole lot more gain that you're gonna get. And this program is designed to help you go from not eating plants to eating plants, and specifically alkaline plants that can help and contribute to you losing weight and getting those results that you want.